Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm just doing a quick clean with me video. Yes, I'm still pregnant and my doctor told me to just take it a little bit easy, so I just do what I can. That's why I haven't been posting that much. But if you guys could please follow my DIY videos. I have been working on a few projects, so I'm trying hard to maintain all of these at one time. So bear with me, guys. But yes, guys, as you can see, I'm opening the windows to let some fresh air in the house, to let some natural breeze come in. Um, I'm preparing the bedroom to be cleaned. All the sheets need to be washed. I wash my sheets at least every 2 to 3 days. Um, or if it depends, if my daughter's been hanging out in the bed a lot, I will wash it like every other day because I start to itch after a while and I can't sleep. So I have very sensitive skin. If my bed is not super fresh, I kind of lose it. So anyways, I feel bad because if I was still at the wash house, I would literally like buy a whole bunch of sheets and change out my sheets every 2 days, just and then make it at the wash house like at least once or twice a week. I would have to make it work. I've tried that before. You guys, as you can see, the ending of that bed right there is my bedding makeover that I made. I don't know if I ever made a video for you guys, but I will go over a video of my DIY with that. It's not the best condition right now. I need to take it to a streamstress, a dry cleaner streamstress, or just pull out the machine from the garage and actually do it myself to finish making the piece to the bed. I take that piece off often just to wash it because my daughter likes to sit there and watch TV and she'll stain it up. And as you can tell, I made this headboard a few months back, last year actually, and I never finished it. So after I had the baby, I didn't finish after I had the first baby, I did try to finish it, but it wasn't fully completed and I needed to use a nail gun and I was kind of scared to use it, so I never finished the headboard, but it still looks great. I am thinking about changing the theme of my room to lighten it up just a little bit. I think the dollars the colors in my rooms are a little too dark, and my room is a little too dark. I want it a little lighter color, but I'm debating on it. I don't know yet. It's time for a change. I got a boy now, so I don't know what I'm gonna do as far as the color in the room. There is gonna be a small change though. That's about it, guys. You guys enjoy me cleaning up right now, and I'll come in and out with commentary. Thank you. Oh, by the way, please like, comment, and subscribe if this is your first time here. Please support my channel. If you have any questions or concern, please let me know. Thank you so much. Okay guys, so you guys just basically see me do my room, half of my room, some of the living room, and some of the breakfast nook, and some laundry. So I am extremely exhausted right now, and I've been cleaning for an hour, I believe, in 15 minutes maybe, or just an hour, but it's within an hour and 15 minutes to an hour. So I'm going to take a break. I got one more load of laundry that I have to go put in the dryer, but right after I put this load of laundry in the dryer, I am going to take a 30-minute break. I'm going to take a 30-minute break, and that's going to give my phone time to charge. It's going to get me time to eat and charge, feed my daughter, and yeah, and then finish up with the rest of my chores, hopefully, guys. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the wash and then take my break, and then we can go to round 2, which is the kitchen and the rest of my bedroom. Okay, I promise I'm not gonna do anything while I'm on break. Alright. 'Cause I am Well, guys, that's about it. And that's all she wrote. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. You guys can like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have any questions or concerns. You can follow me on social media at Ruthie Solomon Charles or at Instagram Child of Most High God. You guys enjoy. I hope this video inspired you in some type of way. And there's several more videos that you guys can watch, my DIYs, and talk to you guys soon. Thank you. God bless.